Here are the complete requirements to start a successful YouTube channel in 2025. Number 1, you need a Google account and a clear niche. Pick a topic you can create at least 20 videos about. Number 2, you don't need an expensive camera. A good smartphone, clear lighting, and a simple mic are enough. Number 3, prepare your channel branding, a clean profile picture, a simple banner, and a short channel description. Number 4, learn basic video editing using free tools like InVideo, CapCut, or Canva. Number 5, stay consistent. Upload at least 2 to 3 videos every week. Number 6, learn YouTube SEO. Write good titles, searchable keywords, and strong thumbnails. Number 7, build watch time. Focus on short, fast, high-value content before long videos. Number 8, monetization requirements. 1,000 subscribers, plus 4,000 watch hours or 3 million shorts views. Number 9, promote your videos on Facebook, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and WhatsApp groups. Number 10, always improve your storytelling, editing, and thumbnails. If you have these requirements ready, you can start your YouTube journey today. Your success starts with one video. Let's begin.